Great. Halloween update. Let's go.
Did you unmute us?
Try to fall asleep. Let's see. Okay, so there's still only 6 nights here. So let's go, night 3.
What just happened? I should have watched the recap video on YouTube. Mark fell off the tower.
Yeah, we'll run that back real quick.
Rip. I don't know. Was he pushed?
Could have been. Or he could have been on some sort of drug that made him insane.
Oh, God.
All right.
Turn the light on.
Greetings, Mr. Harry.
So I've fixed where you can now see our stress and sleep.
We have
Nice,
a
nice,
brand
nice.
new lamp. There's only one problem with it.
What are the
As
controls
you can
again?
see, it's not working that great.
Oh, don't wanna. Alright, that's under the covers. Let's close
Well,
it.
it got damaged in the shipping process, unfortunately. I'm terribly sorry about this. We'll try to come up with a better solution tomorrow. Until then, I hope the lamp will do its job for the night. If you're wondering, we got rid of the old lamp, which was arguably better than the current one. So yeah.
How do I take
no
pills?
going-
They're on.
And just drift off to
Seems
sleep.
that your memory
Don't
is
be
coming
honest.
back, but along with it, your
You mean like this?
hallucinations are
Scanning the
getting
room?
worse.
Stop it.
The
You're making
working
people
theory
sick.
is that the more traumatic experiences you remember, the more it fuels your hallucinations. You've gone through a lot, haven't you?
Great.
To better cope with your high stress, Dr. Norberg has prescribed you some pills.
Woo!
Use them to lower your
Better
stress.
rejoice.
We should probably be listening again.
Dreams.
Dreams.
Something about don't be afraid to pop
Left
pills.
Left shift to take pills. Alright, we're going to bed. See ya.
Take a pill first.
No, there's no reason to.
Yeah, I hope you
Not
sleep
yet.
better.
Not
You'll
yet.
sleep a lot harder.
Not yet. Shh.
Shh.
Oh, there's something very dark.
Where?
Okay.
You're fine.
It is worse than the first one. Alright. We good? Was that closet?
You just have to wake up, look real
Yeah,
quick,
yeah.
go
Do
back
it
to
quick.
sleep.
No! Don't like it. Don't like it.
Bro, look at him. Look at him.
What do you mean, look at him?
Look, he's at your bed. You can't hide now.
No. Yeah, you have to get under the covers when the monsters come. That's the thing. Should I take a stress pill? No.
Just get to sleep, buddy. What time is it?
It's only 11. We've got plenty of time.
God, we've only... Oh, God. Ah! There he is again.
Go away. Go away. Oh, we're about to have a heart attack. Dude, can you leave?
Oh, you can hide under the blanket, too.
Yeah.
Sorry you don't mean to have a heart attack.
I was watching 8 Mile on an hour track. Anyway,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I forgot to call you back.
Right.
For your daughter, water on a star gap. Alright.
Oh,
okay.
He's coming to the front door. He's like, okay, well, if you're not going to let me in the window, I'll just come around front and knock.
I have a feeling he'll
Catch
be...
a slug in your chest, what's going to happen?
Oh my God! All
He
right.
just skipped knocking completely.
There he is. He has a robotic leg.
Get up, he's gone.
No, why did I have such a...
I'd take a pill.
Yeah, I bet you will. Oh, I don't like this. We're closing our eyes.
What
We're
kind
just...
of pill is this?
Apparently, it makes your screen go, or your eyes go all crazy.
Oh, somebody just left. Oh, heart
We're dead.
attack. Did you die?
Yeah, what is this game?
Here, look at him. Can I? While he's talking? Alright, we're out. I'm just going to hold it for...
Alright, it's probably not going to work like that, but alright. There's...
Ah!
Get under the covers. Some cat.
That wasn't
sort
a
of-
cat.
That was a cat with claws.
Look at there, my sleep's got further up than yours was.
Roar. Yep.
Ah, cat's back!
That's...
Back
No,
to sleep.
Don't close your eyes.
Oh, see, it's gone.
He's touching you. You have to get under the blanket, bro.
Don't wanna close my eyes. Look. Is he still in there? Nah, he's gone. All right, look. Let me tell you something.
I wouldn't close your eyes with your stressed out.
I'm closing my. Ah! Ah! God. That's it. This is too hard.
Dude, no, it's not. You didn't react at all. You didn't get under the blanket. You didn't turn the light on.
I just kept closing my eyes.
And let go of the keyboard and mouse. I just don't want a homie to be standing by.
Oh, he's gonna be.
Got him. There was the cat was right there.
You went.
Yeah, he went. No, but the cat was right there.
No one. Demon got me. Yes. Oh, get up. Oh.
I took a pill. Yeah, bet you
It
will.
didn't do nothing. With the flashlight that was just stuck in our chest.
What was?
Demon creature. That's what it was. Something from the underworld.
Wait, what the heck?
Well, go back. It was something on TV.
We're almost done. We're almost done.
It's got to be it, right?
Ah! Oh!
Are you dead? No, please don't.
I didn't die. Oh
about
my!
to say, bro.
Oh my God! All right, I'm asleep. It's over.
Just go all the way there.
We got it. We got it.
If you're dead, then we'll end the stream and be done.
Now this part I've seen a little bit of, and it.
John, are you there?
Nope.
Please
I'm
answer.
good, sweetheart. Thank you, though. Can you click the button on the bottom?
I'm here, Daisy.
60.
Daisy,
Yeah,
talk
it's
to
going
me.
back, poor guy. I'm going
John
back.
was in my house. He got in my room, but I pretended that I was asleep. Shortly after, he went away.
Did you manage to see who it was? Was it Ethan or Tom?
Sorry, I couldn't see anything.
Are Ethan and Tom
Black.
like predators who go into women's rooms at night? I mean, maybe we shouldn't
Outside
be
my window.
associating with Ethan or Tom.
John, I think he's coming your way.
So we're having a dream about someone breaking into our house after going to sleep.
No, this is real. This is memories. It says he's dreaming, but he's just reliving his memories. Okay.
Which is why he has the feelings when he's going to sleep. Got it.
Yeah, these are flashbacks, exactly.
Okay. Where's the closest weapon? So much can be solved with firearms. You know what I mean?
Content redacted. All right. Oh, it's a clock.
Nobody has clocks that makes that loud noise in your house. Come on. Ah!
I feel like he's on me. Lock all the doors and windows.
You didn't lock that window.
I did.
I bet you did. It's a picture.
Oh gosh, is there one? Oh, I think I got them all.
Go upstairs. He can't get upstairs.
Yeah, you can. Oh, good.
I don't like it. I don't know why you're such a scared little. You know what I'm saying?
Scared little what?
Well, I don't really want to say it. But I'd just be sitting there with an AR going, well, come on in the house then, boy.
It just. What is this game?
Good job locking all the doors and windows and hiding in the...
I must have missed one, I guess, right? Find a place to hide.
Oh, there you go.
I'm going back.
You done messed up the first time. There you go. When monsters enter the room, press and hold shift to hold your breath. Why would he be in the room? We just locked everything.
Does that say shift?
I can't read. I was home scrolled. There's no one here.
Shut up. He wasn't in the room. This is bull.
There, hold your breath the entire time until you passed out.
I don't think so.
Okay. Oh, you left that door open. Oh wait, it just glitched open. Oh, hold it down again.
Yeah, I see
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Stupid, dude.
Oh.
Shut up!
There he is. Hold it.
I'm holding it. Oh, he's a creepy man. Sounds like my stomach.
He is pondering what's going on.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Please leave.
Get out, bro. We're about to suffocate ourselves. He shut the door.
Imagine. That was a scary attack. What do we do? What do we do?
Yeah, why would they all be unlocked? I'd
Jump out the window, maybe?
yeah, head first.
Oh, look where we're at, the cottages.
Neck first. So I knocked his lamp over.
Oh, he tore this place up.
Daisy,
Oh, good.
are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Are you
What
alright,
Malden?
John?
I'm fine. He got in
Almost
my house
80.
too. I was able to hide from him. I think he's gone.
No, he's not.
Were you able to make out who it was?
No,
It was a
don't know.
demon.
It was too dark.
Where is he now? Did you see where he went?
I have no idea. He might have... Wait. I hear a strange sound.
Let's not go towards it at all. I think your memory is making them into a monster. Maybe they're just a normal killer. You know, just the normal type.
There you go. Yeah, just run.
Oh.
Get out. Yeah.
Should we go over to Daisy's?
Where is Daisy?
I don't know. I don't either. Alright, don't start that, but yeah.
I don't either.
I mean, I guess we're... Oh. Well, looks like there's someone home. Great.
They may be dead.
Oh, great.
Here we go.
Some
Jigsaw.
some listening coming up. Hold on.
Oh, what the...
Oh, look at the wall.
Hello, Mr. Heron. It's nice to finally speak with you.
Read the wall.
I do apologize for disturbing your peace so late at night. Since our secret project with the test trap didn't work out as planned, time is of the essence. And I cannot afford failure. Anyway, let's better focus on what's important right now. In this very moment, Mr. Heron. It would have been a child's play to get you all in the greenhouse and make you suffocate from the deadly substance within. But where's the fun in that? It would have been far too easy and anticlimactic. I like to pull my victims' strings and see them struggle in their defeat.
So you need to see a therapist.
This is your chance to cut those strings, Mr. Heron. I will give you 15 minutes to escape from this cottage. Tom is locked away in his cottage too. Succeed, and earn both of your freedoms. Fail, and I will
This
flood
guy's Jigsaw.
both of your cottages with a deadly substance. I will revel in you choking and squirming at your last moments of pure agony.
Doesn't
Your
sound good to
time
me.
starts now.
Okay.
So true story.
The amusement.
Me and my wife have been watching the Saw series, and we
Okay.
are currently still watching it. You gonna guess that?
No, we have to find a code.
Okay. That is a cheap knockoff of Jigsaw,
Yeah. Can't. It's not looking like we can go out this door.
and he would not want to. He wants them to live.
How many do I have to kill? To save a number, click 0 and enter the value.
0, 0, 0, 0.
No, hold on. How many do I have to kill?
How many what?
He said
Oh,
8. Wait, where'd the paper go? Oh,
you picked it up. Okay.
is it
No,
8?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, well. Looks like we've got 8. Hold on. There's probably clues all over the place. What is that? I don't know what that was, so I just picked up.
Well, we'll go back to the screen. 2.
2. Okay. TV probably is gonna tell me something.
There were
5
of you.
5 of you.
I killed them.
All of
I
them.
killed a blank of them.
4? 3?
How many do I have to kill?
Wait, that did something.
Well, the girl is still alive, right?
Yeah, and
And
me
there's a
and
guy.
Tom. So he killed 2.
So
There's 2 left.
no,
right?
you, Tom, and the girl. So there's
So he killed 2, is what I'm saying. Right? Wait, there's hints. What's the speaker? Where's the speaker?
the wall is the first number. The timer has 2.
Yeah. But
The
what does
wall
this
is-
8
okay.
have to do? This number 8.
How many do you have to kill?
2.
There were. Well, it says 5. There were 5.
I-
So is the I guess
There were 5. So he killed 2 of them. Right? Right? Since there's 3 left.
homeschool students.
Where does this number 8 go?
Oh.
Oh, 8. 8 was next to the speaker.
Ah.
Okay, now what's this hashtag? Where's the hashtag? No, hashtag 8. Wait, are we screwing this up?
Probably.
Hold on. This is not 8. Hold on. Alright.
He just said 5.
5.
He just said 5. Hold on. 3. No. How many do I have to kill? How many do I have to kill? Not how many have I killed? Duh.
Oh, so it's 3. Okay. So 3.
3.
No.
No, 3, John. 3.
2. 5, 8.
The log has been released. Your soul.
Pick them up.
Oh. I was about to say. Oh.
Oh,
Dude, this is.
Oh, so wait. Wait, the time. Oh, I've only got 10 minutes. Change light mode? Change light mode. Why is someone walking around? Can you stop walking around? Oh.
Well, I mean, I understand why he has PTSD if he was involved in a jigsaw trap. I mean, honestly.
Yeah.
Little-
Go upstairs. Oh, change light mode. Oh, you. Don't like you. Dude. That's.
Hollywood superstar Shia LaBeouf. Noobs. Pick them up.
Pick what up?
Them.
Oh, I have a flashlight now. Oh, change color mode. Oh, it's a UV.
1, 2. Hold on, go back down. How many are there?
What are you talking about?
The question is, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Allie is screaming to count.
In editing, this will look great. That's the code you think is this.
Clutch.
I should probably stop it looking over this so I can make it look like we figured it out.
Oh, there's the code.
Nice, dude. Found it.
Using Google. All right, so this is what is this? Yet another room?
Place
the tubes.
We're missing a
Go
tube.
find a tube.
Hold
Turn
on.
around.
Oh no, right there.
Turn around.
Give me the cheese strip. What do you mean? What do you mean it doesn't work? How much time we have? Oh. Can I open you? No? Wait. Oh! Oh! Why? Oh, God.
The demon done got him, son.
That was not cool at all.
Bro.
There was something in there I picked up. Oh, a key. Nice. That scared the crap out of me. Oh, a key to this room that has the last one. Pick it up! Okay.
Alright, now I think you have to rotate those to like negative and positive. Oh,
Yes? No?
something's. No, look at that. Real good. Do they matter? No. Is the 0, 0? Someone's coming.
Wait, does everyone else matter?
At this
Yes.
moment, I don't.
I'm about to... Can we get some help? Oh, that circled yes.
Somebody is running
Very
rapidly upstairs. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mr. Heron.
Thank you, Allie.
Thank you very much.
Now, can you hear those screams? You should probably
We
make
gotta
a
get to him.
I let him die.
Whale.
That was your house.
I think that was Tom.
Well,
Tom Nook is now no longer with
Tom
us.
sucks. You know where Tom Nook's from?
Yeah, Animal Crossing. Tom Nook. That's the little raccoon you get money from.
Oh God.
Your turn.
Ah! Demon in the house.
Oh my gosh!
He's in the house during the day. Now we're going full schizophrenic.
That was fun. We're gonna.
He's an extortionist raccoon.
Oh,
is he?
wait.
Oh.
What's happening? He's an extortionist, right? Yes, he is.
He extorts.
Well, he makes you loans that he knows you can't pay back. Oh. Why would you look behind you?
So what is this? A daydream?
This is a cutscene.
Is that the
It
end of
can't be. It can't be. It can't be. It cannot be. In the next update. They've had to have updated it.
I think they would have took that out if they would have updated